We're just pushing high. All right, so we have previous session high, we have previous session low, we have a 4 hour CRT, and we also have previous week low. On the daily candle, we're rejecting 4 hour, looks good for bulls. We also have Asia session, so I kind of want to be bearish, but that is a pretty good candle. I want to see it reject after taking a previous session high, which is the Asia high right here. We also have previous day high that we haven't swept yet. So maybe, like, I do like how we're still respecting this 4 hour and we came down and swept that low. What's the 15-minute change in the state? Right here. So yeah, we might not get an entry. I'll let you guys know. All right, if we can get this short, I'm gonna take it. Friday, the consumer sentiment at 10 a.m. Do I want to be in this before 10 a.m.? Probably not, actually. We're gonna see what 10 a.m. does. I'm gonna market order in once we see what 10 a.m. does. We have a high time frame SMT, a previous session high, and then we have a 1 minute SMT or a 5 minute SMT, but depending on how you want to look at it. That rejection candle honestly looks really nice, especially with the SMT. And we're probably gonna get a 15-minute CRT. I think I'm gonna sell like two, just right where we are, because we look like we want to go lower. And see what market does at 10. And just manually close if we get too high. Broke structure, and we also have a 15-minute CRT to the downside. Is that 15-minute CRT right here? 1 minute. YM super bearish. ES is looking pretty bearish now. It's just like an elevator straight down. That'd be dope. That'd be dope. Seconds. All right, I'm in full position. I don't want to see it come back up. We gotta lose or we win. 15-minute open higher. We respected the S&T as well. We didn't close above it. Let's see, do we have a YM didn't take out Asia's low yet. We hit the CIT low, it's probably why I'll go break even. We also have an S&T at these highs. I don't like that candle. Not gonna lie. Nice push down on that bad boy. I think I'll probably take one and go break even here. Buy one. That's the 15-minute CIT high. Actually, I think that just might be break even. 15 minute looks really good. Why I'm doing. Miami hasn't taken Asia yet. Except for tapping into order block. We shouldn't go above this 1 minute, to be honest. So I'll go break even right now. If we get through this order block in this 15-minute, it'll be good. What is that 15-minute CRT right there? We have an S&T, but I think we're probably gonna break through it. Listen, I don't know what the hell I'm looking at. All right, cool. That's what I want to see. All right, I got out. Honestly, we could go lower. All right, I want to go over why I took this trade. I took this trade because one, we are in discount or premium of this higher time frame range. It kind of looked like we wanted to continue to be bearish. The daily candle, I mean, there's a huge wick, so your bias probably wasn't terrible at that point. But we do have I wasn't decided on what I wanted my bias to be, but I don't have to catch the whole move, bro. We still made $500 today. Like that's good. That's good. Um, okay, so coming to the day, I knew we had this 4 hour CRT. We were also at, let me see where we were. We were at a premium of the full range. And it looks like we were at consequent encroachment of this 4 hour fair value gap. So I was okay with taking shorts because we were in this premium after this huge drop. Um, we took out Asia session highs, and we had an S&T at the highs right here. We had that good old S&T right there. Good old S&T. Um, Zooming in, we also had uh, like a lower time frame S&T. We had a higher time frame and a lower time frame, and that lower time frame isn't even that low. It's a 15 minute. So that was nice. I like that. We had two SMTs. We were in a 15-minute, a 1 hour, and a 4 hour for value gap. We're in premium. Um, and we had some lower time frame SMTs as well. Like, yeah, this one. We started to displace loader. We had news at night at 10 a.m. So what did I do? We had news at 10 a.m. So honestly, it looks like we came up tap the CISD perfectly. If we go all the way down from here, that'd be crazy. But it was either make some money or get stopped out break even because we're not gonna drop 100 points from my original entry and then go back up. Like that's no. We would have just got stopped out at break even. So I'm happy we took profits where we did, which was right here, right here. Yeah. For 1.28. So we haven't gotten a 2R lately, but we will. It's just like what happens when you trade, bro. You're not always gonna go in and be perfect. But again, why we took the trade, we were starting to look bearish. YM was bearish. S and ES was kind of starting to look bearish as well. Um, YM taking out that low yet? Nah, YM still going gunning for that low. So yeah, that's why I took the short. I market ordered after we closed below this 1 minute CISD. I market ordered two contracts, not my full size, because we had consumer sentiment or something, some news at 10 a.m. and I wanted to see the reaction. Once I saw that we closed with this huge wick, and we respected the S&T and didn't sweep, I market ordered two more of my contracts. Um, if we, ooh, I would love to put another contract in if we inverse this 1 minute, but I ended up taking out my contracts because I didn't like the reaction that we had. We're having in this 15-minute fair value gap. We didn't inverse it like I wanted us to, and we immediately started to push higher. I didn't like that reaction, and it looked like it probably did want to go all the way back up to our point of where we were entered. So get stopped at break even or make some money, and I chose to make some money. So ended up coming out with $500 today. Decent day. It's a Friday. I'm gonna I'm gonna take my dub. I'm gonna take my dub. So that's what happened today. Oh, another reason I wanted lower is because it looked clear as day that like EM wanted to come out and take this low here. So bye.